36 degrees this afternoon. This is above freezing, and hopefully we can get above freezing, because if we see precipitation and it's above freezing, that's a lower chance of seeing freezing rain. But as you get farther north and west, there's a lower likelihood of getting above the freezing mark. So out in those locations, that's where we expect probably the majority of our ice accrual with any freezing rain today. As you head farther south and east, the higher chance of this being mostly a cold rain event, with the exception of this morning, because it is below freezing in Pawnee County. So 7 a.m. could see some sporadic freezing rain showers. I think this is Stormcast's best attempt at trying to show what's in far southeast Nebraska right now, but kind of just very patchy, spotty activity until about the lunch hour. Then rain chances really start to increase, especially going into the afternoon, where you see the pinks, that's freezing rain, greens, that is rain. You see temperatures 35, 36, 37 degrees, a higher chance of just cold rain at that point. Lincoln, very, very close to the transition region, and as you head farther north and west, freezing rain and a couple of flakes mixed in. So out towards Grand Island, maybe Columbus, could see a few snowflakes or grapple pellets mixing in. As we head into tonight, this version of Stormcast is suggesting maybe some wraparound precipitation, and at this time it would be cold enough to support snow, so maybe a little bit of snow later on tonight. This is the only version of Stormcast though that suggests this, so it looks like a pretty low likelihood of seeing snow just to the north of Lincoln during the evening hours tonight, but it is a non-zero chance we should dry out by Friday morning. In terms of the ice accumulation forecast, up to 1/10 of an inch is possible. Maybe slightly higher totals just off to the northwest. Up to 2/10 of an inch will be possible. This model is not showing that potential very well, but I would not be surprised to see that. So just take it easy, especially if you come across any rain this morning. Temperatures will be below freezing for many of us. It could freeze on contact with especially untreated roads. Snow forecast, I'm thinking little to no accumulation in the Lincoln-Lancaster County area. Maybe a dusting out towards Columbus or Grand Island if we can see those snowflakes mixing in, but the wintry precipitation should limit any accumulation. As you get farther north, maybe 0 to 1 inches, maybe out towards Broken Bow, Greeley, and Ord. And in northern Nebraska, out towards O'Neill, Valentine, Chadron, a couple pockets up to 3 inches will be possible. Just a reminder, winter weather advisories are posted for all of central and eastern Nebraska, including the capital city. In this chunk of real estate, it's in effect mainly for the freezing rain potential. Here's a look at our 10-day forecast. 41 degrees on Friday. We should dry out tomorrow. Even warmer on Saturday and Sunday. The weekend doesn't look all too bad. 45 degrees on Saturday, 47 on Sunday, and by Monday of next week, maybe reaching the 50s once again. But there is a rain chance, and you might notice a lightning bolt on that icon for Monday. It's possible we could see a rumble of thunder with the system on Monday.
All right, thank you.